Hello children, so today we are going to learn letter A. So this is letter A, uppercase A, lowercase a, and the sound is A. A. Let's see the uppercase A. It looks like this, slant line, slipping line. Uppercase A. Let's match its lowercase letter. So this is lowercase a. Half a circle, standing line. Lowercase a. And the sound is A. For example, A. Apple. A. Ant. A. Ambulance. So whatever the pictures and the words comes with the sound A, that is of letter A. A. Apple. A. Ant. A. Ambulance. Let's learn how to write the letter A. So this is uppercase A. You can see the picture of apple, and here you can see the picture of aeroplane. So let's learn how to write uppercase A. Okay, so we will go from up, slanting line, again slanting line, one sleeping line, uppercase A, uppercase A, and we write letter A in between three lines. Like in English notebook, we can see there are 4 lines, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we will write uppercase A between these 3 lines only, first, second and third line. Okay, so let's see how to write lowercase a. So in 4 line notebook, we will write lowercase a between 2 line in the middle. We will go from here, half a circle, standing line, half a circle, standing line. So lowercase a. So this is how we write letter A. Thank you.